Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a cozy, comforting dish, tomato corn pork rib soup. Just look at it, the golden corn, the soft ribs, and the broth that's rich and steaming hot. Perfect for warming you up on a chilly day. Alright, let's get everything ready. First, I've got some fresh sweet corn. Cut it into small sections. Then 1 tomato. Slice it into chunks. You can peel it if you want. Totally up to you. Here, I've got a plate of pork ribs here, already chopped into pieces by the butcher. At home, I wash them a couple of times to get rid of the excess blood. And for the aromatics, just some big pieces of scallion and ginger. That's all we need. Now, let's cook. Add water to the wok and drop the ribs in while the water is still cold. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Let it come to a boil, and once it's bubbling away, cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then scoop the ribs out and rinse them in warm water. Never cold. Warm keeps the meat tender. Next, heat a little oil in the wok. Toss in the scallions and the ginger. Stir until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and stir fry until they break down into a nice saucy texture. Now add in the ribs. Stir everything together. And then pour in hot boiling water. Make sure it covers everything. If you want more soup, add a bit extra water, no problem. Leave the lid off at first so the porky smell can steam off. After 3 to 5 minutes, cover the lid and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Alright, time's up. Let's check. Wow, that smells amazing. Now, drop in the corn. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG, and 2 teaspoons of white pepper. Cover it up again and simmer for another 20 minutes. Just look at the broth. Rich, slightly reddish from the tomatoes. Full of flavor. The ribs are tender. The corn is sweet and juicy. Let me give it a taste. The pork is full of the bone tender. The corn is naturally sweet, and the soup is incredibly comforting. Honestly, this dish is perfect for cold weather. You should definitely try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.